My name is Flinn Cleary. I am a third-year chemistry major with a music minor here at mta. I work for the Tantramar Heritage Trust as their archaeology assistant. I've always been interested in archaeology, and when I saw that there was an internship, I thought, why not apply, because it's something I love, it's in a town I love, and I'm big on local history. So the Boultenhouse Shipyard was owned by Christopher Boultenhouse. He was the most prolific shipbuilder in Sackville. I am working at the Boultenhouse Heritage Center primarily, where I'm doing a lot of transcription of old interviews with the foundry workers or transcribing old diaries from just residents of Sackville. I am working on the Boultenhouse Shipyard Archaeological excavation project. So we believe that it is Boultenhouse's blacksmith shop. So that's where we are digging currently. I have always been interested in chemistry. Even as a kid, I had those little science kits. I won my science fair in grade 6. I went here because I heard of the music scene. I heard of how great the chemistry program was and just how amazing the community was. And I decided a small university will benefit me because I get to really know my peers and my professors, and I get to be really involved in the community. So it all was kind of just a hodgepodge of great reasons to come here to mta.